I'm Amna and I'm going to tell you how to use the content to boost the conversions. In the evolving digital landscape, personalization is becoming paramount. Dynamic content which changes based on user behavior, preferences, or demographics plays a significant role in this personalization journey. When effectively used, dynamic content can significantly boost conversions by delivering a tailored user's experience. Come on, let's explore this how. Understanding the dynamic content. At its core, dynamic content refers to web content that changes based on user data and behavior. It's like a chameleon, adapting to the user's environment and offering a bespoke web experience. Data collection and analysis. Behavioral tracking. Track user actions on your website like pages visited, time spent on pages, and the clicked links. User profiles. Collect the demographic data such as age, location, and interests. Segmentation. Categorize user based on their behavior, preferences, or demographics. Implementing the dynamic content. Personalized greetings. Display the greetings based on time of day or user's location. Tailored product recommendations. Suggest products based on a user's browsing history or past purchases. Content adjustments. Alter the content based on where a user is in the sales funnel. For instance, first-time visitors might see introductory content, while returning users view the advanced content. Dynamic email marketing. Behavior-triggered emails send emails based on specific user actions. For instance, abandoned cart emails can remind users of products they left behind. Segmented email campaigns. Deliver content that speaks directly to the segmented user groups. For instance, offer special discounts to repeat customers. Dynamic advertisements. Use the platforms like Facebook or Google AdWords to deliver personalized ads based on user behavior or segmentation. Retargeting campaigns, which presents ads to users who have previously interacted with your website, are a classical example. Personalized call to action, which is called CTAs. Adjust your CTAs based on user behavior. For instance, new user might see a sign up CTA, while returning user might encounter a discover new feature CTA. Geo-targeting. Deliver content based on a user's geographical situation and location. For e-commerce businesses, this could mean showcasing the winter wear to use from colder regions while displaying the summer collections to those in tropical areas. A/B testing and optimization. Continuously test various dynamic content elements to see which ones resonate most with the users. Adjust strategies based on what drives the highest conversions. Combining with interactive elements. Merge the dynamic content with the interactive web elements like chatbots. For instance, a chatbot can offer personalized product suggestions based on user behavior. Privacy considerations. Always ensure that you are transparent about the data collection and adhere to privacy regulations. Offer users as an option to opt out personalized contents if they wish. Dynamic content offers a bridge between brands and users, facilitating a conversation that's tailored to each user's unique preferences and behaviors. By delivering the content that speaks directly to individual users, businesses can foster their deeper connections, build trust, and ultimately drive higher conversions. However, it's essential to strike a balance, ensuring personalization doesn't become intrusive. When executed with finesse and respect for user privacy, dynamic content can be a game changer in the digital conversion landscape. Thank you very much for listening to us. See you tomorrow, inshallah, with new videos.